It's cosmical, something magical. Never expected the world will see. It's only a reflection, it's by the perception for everyone's view. But don't let it deter you, 'cause I won't desert you. Rather, I'll always be the one by your side, keeping you motivated, trying to keep you satisfied. Always. Like a roller coaster, sunshine and rain. You gotta feel the lows so you can feel the highs. Through the storms, you become a little stronger, a little wiser, knowing you're broken so you can repair. It's wonderful, out of this world, another universe. It's a whole other galaxy. Don't be afraid, we're here for you, and we won't desert you. Breathe for you. Like a roller coaster, sunshine and rain. You gotta feel the lows to feel the highs. Through the storms you become a little stronger, a little wiser, knowing you're broken so that you can repair. When your heart opens, it's like the gateway to heaven. They won't understand you, but I will. They can laugh at us, but we'll still love them for who they are. Breaking down walls, wrecking balls, opening doors and cloud nine. Thunder and lightning, heaven and hell, all thrown into one, yeah. Like a roller coaster, sunshine and rain. You gotta feel the lows to feel the highs. Through the storms, you become a little stronger, a little wiser, to know when you're broken, so you can repair. Yeah. Like a roller coaster, sunshine and rain. You gotta feel the lows to feel the highs, yeah. Through the storms you become stronger, a little wiser, knowing you're broken so you can repair.